are going to cover chapter 13, graph, introduction to graphs. That so here one is line graph. Line graph means any graph in which the data means the numbers and this information. Data means information that changes continuously. Here you see the information is changing, so it is a line graph. In the line graph, data changes continuously. Another thing, in the line graphs, one direct proportion will be there. In two things in direct proportion. Proportion. But not proportion, in the direct two things are in direct variation. So here you see, these are the years. These are years. And here sales is given. Sales in crores of rupees. In crores of rupees it is given. So year is changing. The sale is also going on changing. It is also varying. Likewise, year is varying. This figure is also varies. Okay. So one is dependent on the other. Now question number 2A. What were the sales in 2002? Sales in 2002. Sales in 2002 was 4 crores. Very simple, you have to write 4 crores. Okay. And what is in 2006? 2006 it was, how much it was? It was 8 crores. 8 crores, because 8, this line is coming up to 8. 6 and 8 matching. Okay. Now B part. What were the sales in the year 2003? 2003. So 2003 sales was here in 8 and 6 between. So 7 is the point. It will be a point 7. So it will be in 2003 sales was 7 crores. Okay. So in 2005, 2005, it is 10 crores. Here up to 10, the line is up to 10. It is showing up to 10, so it will be 10 crores. 10 crores in 2005 it will be. Okay, now your C point. Compute the difference between 2002 and 2006 sales. Means this difference they want to know. So difference in 2006 minus 2002 year. So you have to give the difference. So sale is rupees 8 crore. 8 crore minus 4 crore. So what will be the answer? Rupees 4 crore. 4 crore is your answer. Now question number sub question D. In which year there was the greatest difference between the sales as compared to the previous year? So here you see in the graph, here the graph goes very high. Means from 6, this is the 6 point to 10 point. Means 2004 and 2005 gap is too much. Means 6 to 10 means 4 crore was the increase. So in which year it is the highest? In 2005 it is highest. So, in which year? You have to give the year. With this figure they don't want. In which year? So, in the year 2005, the difference from the previous year is maximum. So, what is the difference? Sale as compared to its previous year. So, in the 2005, difference is too much from the previous year. Okay. So, now this question is over. Now, I will make the graph of another question and I am coming. 1 minute. Question number 4. Question number 4A. On which days was the forecast temperature same as the actual? Both the lines are matching. So here one thing, Tuesday you are seeing both are coming here. So both are matching here. Okay. So Tuesday is the day. Then where they are again matching? They are again matching here. Here means Friday. Here they are matching actual and the forecast. Dotted line is the forecast. So they are matching. So in Friday also it is matching. Friday also it is matching. Then again on the Saturday also it is matching. Both the lines are meeting at one point. So this is your Sunday. Sunday also they are meeting. Okay. Now point number B. What was the maximum forecast temperature? During the maximum forecast 35 degree, because dotted line is forecast. So this is 35 degree. So 35 degree centigrade. It was during the week. What was the minimum actual temperature? Minimum actual means the lowest one. Lowest one was 15. 17.5 is higher than 15. So 15 is the lowest. So C, your answer is 15 degrees centigrade was the actual and lowest. On which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast? Means the difference is higher between both the two. Means this actual line and forecast line. So you have to find out where it is the maximum. So maximum you see here 15 and 25. So maximum difference you will find here. 1 point is here and 1 point is here. Means the difference is 7.5 is the difference here. Other places difference here it is 5 only. Okay, here it is matching. Here difference is 2.5, so it will not do. Here difference is your 5 is there, so difference will not do. So here the difference is much. Here the difference 25 and 30, so difference is 5 is coming. But here in this point Thursday it was the highest difference is there. Okay, this is your Friday. This is Friday, it is meeting. Friday the same place, so no difference here. Okay, and Saturday here 5 difference is there. Here also meeting, so no difference is there. Here also no difference is there. So here 5, here 2.5. So this is the place. Thursday is the date. So your answer is D. Your answer will be Thursday. Thursday is the maximum difference in the. Now we will go to next question. I will rub it and we will go to the next question. Now question number 5 and sub question 2B we are taking. Okay, so here you have to give. Okay, here is here 2003 2004 05 06 and 07. Here is here, and here you have to give man also. You give man. For man you use this straight line, and for woman you use dotted line. Okay, so here number of workers, number you have to give, and here it is 12. So when suppose it is all of sudden starting, so others we are not taking. So 12, we can write it 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14, 14.5, 15, 15.5, 16, like this. Okay, so here man and woman you have to give population, number of population number you have to give in thousands. So in 1000 we have taken. Here it means from G, it is after 0, it is from 12 we have directly started. So in 2003, first we will make a graph of the man. It is always easy, first you make one. Man is 12. First in 2003 man was 12. Then in 2004 it was 12.5. So in 2004 it was 12.5 it is. Then in 2005 2005 it is 13. So 13 will come here. So it is 13 is coming here. 205. Okay, in 206 it is 13.5. it is 13.2 in 206. So 206 it is 13.6, 13.2. So this is your 12, this is 12.5, this is your 13, and 13.2 is here. And in 2007 it became 13.5. Okay, so 13.5. Because by scale I have not made, that's why some you may be feeling, but in scale you will make, it will correctly come. Main purpose is how two things you can show in one graph. Year and numbers are there, but here man and woman both you have to show. So in that case you take man as the dark line, woman as the dotted line. Okay, now 11 in 2003 women were 11.3. so here it will be suppose 11. So 11.3, it will be 11.3. 11.3 is here. Okay, 11.3 is here. So it is 11.3. Then 11.9 you have to take. So 11.9. 11.9 is here. It is 11.9 is here. Then 13 you have to take. So 2005, 13 it will come here. But you make a dotted line. You make a dotted line. Okay, dotted lines. Because we are taking dotted lines. Okay. So 13, 11.9. Then 13. 13 you have taken. Then 13, 13.6. 13.6 means you have to go higher than here. Somewhere here. So it will go, how it will go? It will go in this way and it will come to 13.6, it will come here. 13.6, then 12.8, then again it is going down. So from here it will go to down. In 2007 it is 12.8, it will come down. So in this way your one is women's and one is men's. Two also you can plot, but by scale or on the graph you make it, it will come in the exact position. Here by rough hand drawing is there, that's why it may not be showing you the correct thing. Now question number 6 we are going to solve. I will rub it and then I will come. Now question number 6. Question number 6 we are going to solve. A courier boy is there. So from his town he is traveling to deliver some goods to here in the market. Okay. So what is the scale taken on the timeline? So x-axis, what is the scale there? Here we have taken 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeters. One is equal to 1 centimeter. So what we will take? 4 equal to 1 hour. What we are taking? We are taking 1 hour is equal to 4 centimeters. Not centimeters, 1 hour is equal to 4. This scale we have taken. So what will 4 units? We can write it units. 4 units. Okay, 1 hour is equal to. So 1 unit is equal to 15. How much time did the person take for travel? So here he started from 8 a.m. So here he started from 8 a.m. Here origin, it is the origin place. So here he started from 8 a.m. So how much time did the person take for travel? From 8 to he has reached there by 11:30. Here you see it will come 30 because 4 parts are there. So 30. So 11:30. It means 3 hours and 3 hours and half hour. So how much he has taken? He has taken, how much did the person take? 3 and 1/2 hours. Okay, now you can understand. How far is the place from the merchant? This is the place of merchant and this is the town. How far it is? It is 22 kilometers. So C answer is 22 kilometers. Okay. From 0 it is 22 kilometers. Did the person stop on his way? D. Yes, it has stopped because time here, you see from 10 to 11 it has become, from 10 to 11 it has become, but the distance is not changed. It means the person was there, he was staying somewhere. So this is the time. Did the person stop on his way? Yes. Yes, during this year, 9 and 10 to 11, 10 to 11. 10 to 11 he was staying, 10 to 11 he was staying, and then from 11 he again started. Okay, so I think 10 to, in the chart it is here, 10 to 16, it is coming up to here, 16. So time is 10:30. So here to here he stopped, then he walked. So 10:30. From 10, this is your 10. This line is 10. So 10 to 10:30. Yes, 10 to 10:30 he stayed. He stayed here because here no movement is there. Then during which period did he write first? You see the graph. Here it is too much. From 8 to 9 am the graph goes first 8 to 9, 10 kilometers he has covered. 10 km in 1 hour he has covered 10 kilometers. But next only 6 kilometers, and then also again 6 kilometers he has covered. So maximum distance he has covered from 8 to 9, because 10 kilometers he has covered. Here 6, here nil, here 6. So 10 kilometers. So D, your E answer. E answer is 8 to 9 am. 8 to 9 am. 8 to 9 am. Here the right, the fastest he has right. Okay, now we will go to the next exercise. I will wipe it and we will do the next exercise. Now exercise 13.2. 13.2. Okay. And here all we are not solving. I am just taking B. 13.2 question 1 and B we are taking. You draw that graph. You have to draw a graph with the suitable scales. Scales also you can take. Scales you can take your own. And graph you have to write. X-axis and Y-axis. Scale you can take your own scale, and this is your 0 point. And it is question of distance traveled by car and time. So time 6 am, time we are taking here. Okay, 1 unit is equal to 5. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 hour. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 hour. So here centimeter columns will be there. So here it is 6 am, then 7 am, then 8 am, and then 9 am. Okay. So, or better you take 4, because when hour is there you take 4 units. So 1 hour is equal to 4 units you take the scale. So it is easier, because 15 minutes sometime it comes, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So half you can make 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, 3, and this one. And this here, it is here. So, and here in this line, because 20, you take. 20 distance we are taking 20, 80, 120 and 160. Some distance we will take. So here we will take 20, like 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120, 140 and 160 we have taken. So here we have taken, what scale we have taken? We have taken 1 cm is equal to 20 kilometer. Here scale is 1 cm, 1 centimeter is equal to 20 kilometers. Okay. Now I have to make the graph. 6 distance traveled by car. From here it has started 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Distance in kilometer 40. So it was at here 40. It was at 40. Then 7 a.m. it was at 80. 7 a.m. it was at 80. 7 a.m. it was 80. Then 8 a.m. it was 120. 8 a.m. it was 120. 120 it was. And then in 9 a.m. it was 160. It was at 160 kilometer distance it was having. Okay. How much this points you need not write. Points I am just writing so that points I am writing because here scale is not there, no. So you can understand. Otherwise it is difficult. Otherwise you need not to write these points because by scale you will be joining here. By scale you will be joining it. Okay, this you don't write. Just to explain I am writing. How much distance did the car cover during the period 7:30 to 8? So 7:30 will be here half. That's why 4 I have. 7:30 to 8. 7:30 to 8, how much he will cover? So at 7 he was here. At 7 he was here and 8 he was here. So 7:30 means half. So half means here 40, half means here it will be 100. So at 7:30 he was at 100 kilometers. So A1B first question at 7:30 to 8. 7:30 at how much distance did the car cover during 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. So from 7:30 to 8, 20 kilometers. 7:30 to 8, 20 kilometers he has covered. Okay. Then what was the time when the car covered a distance of 100 kilometers since start? From start 100 kilometers when he has covered at 7:30 a.m. 100 kilometers he has covered. Okay, these two questions they were asking and both the answers are the same. Answer ठीक है भैया. Question number 1C we are going to do. Here deposit we have taken 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000. And here interest 80, 160, 240 like this. Okay. So does the graph pass through the origin? Okay, it will pass through the origin because it is a straight line. When it is a straight line, it will pass. First is C ka 1. Yes, it will pass through the origin because it is on 45 degree. Will be on 45 degree. Well, because it is proportion is same. 80, 160. So proportion is same. When proportion is the same, the direct proportion is the same, the curve goes by 40 degree. And when the curve goes 40 degree, it will always go through the origin. So here it will go through the origin. Yes, it will go because here it is a direct proportion. Relation between deposit and interest, direct relation. Interest and deposit, direct relation. Deposit direct. So here when amount is 0, interest will be also 0. So it will pass through the origin. This is the simplest reply. When amount is 0, interest will be also 0. That's why it will pass through the origin. Okay. Now question number 2, part 2. Use the graph to find the interest on 2,500 rupees for a year. 2,500 means it will be 2,000 to in between 2,005. So here also in between it will be here. So it will be in between means 200 will be in between 160 to 200. So it will be 200. So for 2,005 rupees, use the graph to find the interest. Interest will be 200 rupees. 200 will be interest. Okay, then third, to get an interest of 280 per year, 280 per year, how much money you should deposit? 280. So 280 means in between somewhere. 40 and 32 in between somewhere it is. it will come here 280 rupees. And for 280 rupees, how much you should invest? You should invest somewhere here. 280, somewhere it will come here. 280 come, somewhere here it will come. In between 200. So it will go here and in between it will come. So that will be about 3,500, about the 3,500. So rupees 3,500 if we will invest. So here in question number 2, one we are solving. Question is whether it is a linear graph or not. Means perimeter they have given. Perimeter form of the square. Perimeter of square is equal to side into 4. When whatever side will be there, it's 4 times. Suppose side is 2, it will be 8. It is 3, it will be 4. 3 for the 3.5, it will be 14. 5, it will be 25 for the 26 for the 24. It will be like this. Okay. So table they have given sides 2, 3, 3.5, 5 and 6. And perimeter they have given 8, 12, 14, 20 and 24. Here, this as the sides will increase, the perimeter will also increase, but in a same scale. Same way. Variation is in the same. So it is a line graph. It is a line graph. The line will be a whole uninterrupted line. It is a straight line. Okay, so it is a line graph. Yes. Is it a line graph? Yes. Okay. Now question number 2, that you do yourself. And you just, what you have to do, you have to plot it in a column. Side of a square is given. Here area, instead of perimeter, you have to write the area you have to give. Area you have to write here. 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. And here you 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this way you have to write, and you have to plot with the help of your scale. With the help of your scale, then you will know the square, because first it is 2, 4. Okay, then 3, 9 is coming. 3, now it is 9. So by scale you will, so it will be in zigzag way it will come. That's why it is not a linear graph. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Please keep on subscribing and telling your friends also, share with your friends also, so that they will also get benefit. Thank you so much.